Alright, what's up everybody? It's Ron here, back again. It's my favorite time of the month. Oh yes it is. This is the Rookie Explosion Box V.12, the last one of the year. Happy holidays to everybody out there. Alright, without further delay, let's rip this open. My favorite time of the year. Football's at crunch time. College basketball is just starting. Winter meetings for baseball. The weather's nice. Well, at least it is out here in Vegas. I don't know how it is on your side of the world. Snowing all over the place. Alright. 89 upper deck. 93 Topps Series 1, 2008 Topps Update, 2014 Bowman Draft, 2015 Topps Chrome. A lot of this stuff I've never opened. 2018 Topps Chrome, opened that before. 2018 Series 1 and Series 2. Bowman, we ripped a lot of that this year. Alright, 2019 Heritage High Number, and probably my favorite product of the year. I like this one the most, I think. It's just the staple product. It's got the big 4 in it. Alright, do we go top to bottom? We're going to go in reverse order here. Alright, I'm nervous about this one. I'm nervous about this one. Alright, we're looking for Griffey right here, obviously. Oh, should we look at this thing? Let's look at this. If you want to pause that and read it. Info so you can get a hold of him and try to get your hands on one of these. I highly recommend it. It is so much fun. And here's who we're looking for, and we'll go over that as we go along. Right now we're looking for Griffey. Ken Griffey Jr. card number 1. We're also looking for Randy Johnson, John Smoltz, Gary Sheffield. I think the Dale Murphy reverse negative is in here. Possibly. Alright, here we go. Come on, Griffey. Mike Marshall. Gotta be one of his last cards. Keith Hernandez. Look at the broom. Oh, there you go. Classic card right there for me. Hershiser. Oh, we got Tom Glavine here. Not rookie. Nonetheless, Hall of Famer. Alright, are we going to get a rookie at the end here? Nope. Alright, we can get in anything in there. Our stickers are the Mets and the Rangers. Alright, we're looking for Jeter. And we're looking for the gold of Jeter. I guess I'm looking for any Dodgers for the PC. This is around the time I stopped collecting, 93-ish. I was in high school playing guitar and, you know, doing that kind of thing. Alright, trying to be careful here. Just in case there's something good in here. Oh, there's the gold. Chuck Knobloch. At least I know who that is. Joe Carter, Candy Maldonado, Scott Livingston, Dave Steeb, Rick Reed, Omar Vizquel. I'm not sure if there's anybody else in here. Not a Hall of Famer anywhere. Nope. Alright. Next up, 2008 Topps Update. Oh, I'm looking for Kershaw right in here. Max Scherzer's in here. Longoria. Chris Davis. Is that the guy who broke the record for most at-bats in a row without reaching base? Chris Davis. Alright, so I'm looking for Kershaw. With Troy Hawkins, I think he's played for every team in the league. Dan Ugla, nice. That was Josh Hamilton on that card. We'll keep going. He just got in trouble recently. Grady Sizemore, not Grady Sizemore, Josh Hamilton. That's a pretty cool card. I didn't open much of this stuff, so I'm seeing some of these cards for the first time. Chase Utley, a lot of home run derby cards in here. Ruben Gauthier, I don't know who that is. Okay. I don't know what that is. Some kind of insert. Alright, pre-Allen and Ginter. Was Allen and Ginter around back then? Putting weird cards in. Alright, next up. 2014 Bowman Draft. I like this product. Found some sets online pretty cheap. There's some good guys in here. Alright, what's the big one we're looking for here? Rafael Devers, Matt Chapman, Trey Turner, Eloy's in here. Michael Kopech, Verdugo. Alright, let's see if we can pull something good. That's something back here. Lindsay, Sereno. Oh, but just those chrome cards. Derek Fisher, not from the LA Lakers. Hitting that shot against the Spurs with 0.4 seconds to go. David Dahl. Alright, nothing in there. Alright, nothing so far. Maybe we're saving the fire for the end. 2015 Topps Chrome. Francisco Lindor. Chris Bryant, both on the market right now, possibly. Carlos Correa, Javi Baez, Syndergaard, aka Thor. Alright. Try to be gentle here. Carlos Martinez, Ender Inciarte. Kevin Kiermaier. Do I have a weird shine to it, or do they all have that? Yes, they all have that. Kendall Graveman. So nothing in there. Oh, we're already up to 2018. Topps Chrome. Alright, we know what we're looking for in here. Acuna, Ohtani, Glaber, Rafael Devers, Ozzie Albies, Walker Buehler's in here. Be sick to put Walker Buehler like auto or something. Oh. One of the coolest cards out of this set, Corey Seager, who I hear is also on the chopping block, possibly. Nice Bellinger insert. Alright, nothing in there. Next up, 2018 Top Series 1. I agree with Filmington on this one. I think this product's underrated. I pulled some pretty cool stuff out of here. Alright, we're looking for all the same guys as I just said, except Acuna, Glaber. Alright. And Duhar. I think he's on there. So that's a plus. Ned Rosario. He's popular out there. He's getting some hobby love, I think, a little bit. Alright. We got a couple of rookies out of there, so we're starting to heat up a little bit. Alright, I think the card I'm looking for the most out of in this whole box would be found in here. Since I don't have a bat down Acuna, I might scream like a little girl if that's in here. Just a warning. Highly unlikely that it's in here, but... Alright, here we go. Slowly. I know it's a 1 in a million. Reggie. Rainbow foil. Alright, nope, it's not in there. It would have been in the middle if we were going to find it. Alright, 2019 Bowman. Looking for the big four, maybe? No, we're looking for Wander. Luciano. Julio Rodriguez, Joey Bart. Alright. I guess, yeah, it's Bowman. Everybody's first Bowman is like 5 years before they even play. Alright, here, let's see. Genesis Cabrera. That's a pretty cool name. Oh, there we go. Fernando Tatis Jr. It's always a plus. It's got a little gold on it, but it's not the gold one, but I don't mind. DJ Peters, a little Dodgers action. Alright, so nothing too exciting just yet. Down to the last two. 2019 Heritage High number. I saw somebody pull a Pete Alonso error out of here. Guess you can pull some pretty cool stuff. Vladdy. Put that out here. Whoa. Look at that wig. Alright, I don't know if any of these are high numbers or... I don't think I've ever pulled a French text. Alright, last, but definitely not least. I love this stuff. Looking for the Vladdy no number. Pete Alonso. Tatis is in here. Eloy. Come on, baby. Is that nope. Alright, is there something gonna be in here? Oh, there's nothing in the middle there. Huh. Alright. Well, that's it. I don't think there was a short print in there or anything. Maybe it's just because there was an insert card. Yeah, it would have been this. Not numbered. Alright, well, no major hits in there, but it's still an awesome product. It's so much fun to rip. You never know what's going to come out of here. Alright, till the next video. Peace.